Established in 2013, Yuanmu Shenzhen Holding Group adheres to the mission of creating a conscious enterprise and building a national brand enterprise. Yuanmu Group rooted in the agricultural field. After several years of rapid development, Yuanmu Group has formed an industrial chain laid out with ecological agriculture as a core. The business involves high-tech, ecological agriculture, industrial processing, and some other sectors. The founder of Yuanmu Group, Mr. Dongguan, leading the development of the group and strive to achieve the goal of diversification, specialization, standardization, and regularization.
原木的责任就是让所有的原木人老有所依，让所有跟原木有关系的人老有所依。
While Yuanmu Group is developing business, the group also actively participates in various charity activities. JEAIR Aviation Technology Company Limited, located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, has rich R&D and manufacturing experience. The company's general leader of R&D and technology, Mr. Zhang Xiaopeng, has been deeply involved in the field of agricultural plant protection drones for 12 years and is currently responsible for the company's drone development and production. JEAIR produced the following agricultural drones: thermal focal drone, 4-rotor 10-liter agricultural drone, 6-rotor 16-20-liter agricultural drone. All models adopt the self-developed new generation plug-in tank and battery technology, which is more convenient than the original operation, and the plant protection operation efficiency is greatly improved. JEAIR Agricultural Service is the company's key creative agricultural internet service platform, ensuring precision and efficient agriculture operation by collecting data on drones, and provides better service and guarantee for farming. Based on the local, Yuanmu Group has made great effort in the development of the international market. The group has cooperated closely with customers from Germany, Malaysia, Ecuador, Mexico, Costa Rica, and other countries, and strengthened the professional communication through various domestic and international exhibitions. JEAIR Aviation has a self-built plant protection team, which operating drones in various places. One single drone can cover 200 acres per day, which is more than 60 times of manual labor, greatly improve the efficiency of farming and protect the crop's harvest.